Welcome to Oakmont, one of ICI Homes communities located in beautiful Gainesville, Florida. I'm Tina, and today I want to show you around the community and introduce you to one of our quick delivery homes. Close to downtown, close to the countryside, nothing comes close to Oakmont. Spend your days enjoying the resort-style swimming pool, playing basketball or tennis, working out at the state-of-the-art fitness center, or attending community events at the clubhouse, amphitheater, or activity field. Nature lovers will also have plenty to enjoy at Oakmont. In addition to lush green spaces, our community has a special amenity in place to protect our most unique residents, the endangered gopher tortoise. The Gopher Tortoise Reserve is 46 acres of protected gopher tortoise habitat, which also features a 2-mile walking trail for residents to enjoy. The product of many months of collaboration between ICI Homes, University of Florida wildlife experts, and local and state officials, the reserve is full of educational signage about the tortoises and other flora and fauna in the area. At just under 2,000 square feet, the Juliet is one of our most popular floor plans. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a useful flex space, and a 2-car garage, this home is perfect for those just starting out or for someone who is looking to downsize. This home is designed to impress with a cool color scheme, trendy white cabinets, and upgraded countertops throughout. Wood-look tile in the main living areas give you the charm of hardwood floors with the benefit of being easier to care for. This home is situated on a corner lot with no rear neighbors. You'll feel like you're in paradise with features such as an upgraded landscaping package and a large extended lanai, where you can enjoy the peaceful view of palm trees swaying in your backyard. I hope you enjoyed learning more about Oakmont and this quick delivery home. Don't forget to schedule a VIP tour today to see the community in person. We also offer virtual appointments for those that live out of state who want the VIP experience and the undivided attention of one of our on-site sales associates. We look forward to seeing you soon here in sunny Gainesville, Florida.